Okay, so good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to upload your corral, excuse me, as a MP3, which is what I need you to do in order to gain credit for writing the corral for our commencement exam. All right, it's not too difficult actually. So you're going to be uploading two things, really. You're going to be uploading um, the PDF of the score, and you're going to upload an MP3 of the score. And the way to do that, right, is I can even start you from here. If you're over here, you're going to go to Software. You'll go to Noteflight. Where did Noteflight go? Here we go. And then you're going to go in the side. Well, of course, select the corral that you've been working on. All right. It may take a moment to load. Once you've selected your corral and it's done, and you have the Roman numerals on every measure, and there's a little bit of melody on every measure, you're going to go to the little three lines here, and you're going to go down to score. From score, you'll scroll all the way down to export. And it'll say, it'll give you lots of options. Oh, cool, you can even open it in Soundtrack, huh? I didn't know that. Go to MP3 audio, and then you'll be able to save your score that way. You also need to go to Full Score PDF and upload a PDF to the file today. So two things: MP3 audio. It'll load as a MP3 file in the bottom of your computer-ish area down here on the window. Sorry, I don't know how to say it. And upload the PDF as well. It may take a little while for the corral to upload as an MP3, but when it's done, then you guys are basically set. All right. I'll post this corral final draft. You'll upload your MP3, PDF, and short paragraph of response of your corral here. This will be due today. It'll be due today, but we have a week to turn it in. So there's a little bit of grace period. If we don't finish this if we don't finish this corral, then we're not getting the commencement exam credit. So please finish. I'm here to help you guys. All right, best of luck.